friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now we are going to make adrak or lavang tea. Now before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for notifications about our latest videos and share to your friends. The ingredients required for this adrak tea are adrak or ginger, lavang, sugar. I wanted to use jaggery. And the main ingredient for the tea powder. For 2 cups of tea, you need to take 1 cup of water in the bowl and on the stove. Now add 2 spoons of tea powder. Any tea powder chalega. Ginger, as it is very good for the health. And 3 lavangas to make it much healthier. Let it boil. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to add milk. As I said, for 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. Mix with spoon so that all the ingredients get mixed well, and also nothing sticks to the pan if you mix with the spoon. See, now it's boiling. You need to mix with the spoon like this for a while so that it will get mixed up well, and also at the same time will get nice color. Let it boil like this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the tea is ready. You can stop the flame, add jaggery and have it with biscuits or any other snacks. For 1 cup of tea, 1 spoon of jaggery. Now drain with the net after adding jaggery. Hot ginger and lavang tea is ready.